In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use timeline markers for animation. Understanding this process can greatly enhance the quality and professionalism of your projects, allowing you to seamlessly switch camera views throughout an animation. This can be incredibly useful in creating more dynamic and engaging content. To start, you'll need to navigate to the specific frame in your animation timeline where you intend to make a camera switch. This step is crucial, as the exact frame you choose will determine when the switch occurs during playback. Take a moment to carefully select this point, visualizing how the switch will contribute to the overall flow of your animation. With the frame selected, you'll want to add a marker to your timeline at this precise location. Simply press the M key on your keyboard. This action places a small marker on your timeline, now acting as a visual cue. Think of this marker as a bookmark that tells your animation software exactly where you want a specific event to happen, namely the camera switch. Next, it's time to choose which camera should become active at this point in the animation. Select the camera that fits best with the scene you're crafting. Be mindful of the mood and perspective that each camera angle offers and how it can enhance the storytelling aspect of your animation. Once you've settled on the right camera, it's time to bind it to the marker you added earlier. To do this, press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can use the drop-down menus. Navigate to the marker menu and select the option labeled Bind Camera to Marker. This step links the camera to the marker, instructing your animation to switch to this camera view whenever playback reaches this marker on your timeline. It's essentially embedding the instruction directly into your animation, so everything happens just as you planned, without manual intervention during playback. You'll want to repeat this process for each camera switch throughout your animation. Carefully choose the frames for the markers, select the appropriate cameras, and bind each one to its respective marker. This way, your entire animation will transition smoothly between different camera views, creating a polished and professional final product. Remember, the use of timeline markers is a powerful tool to control your animation's visual narrative. It allows for a fluid storytelling experience, providing the ability to shift perspectives exactly when needed. With practice, you'll become more efficient and effective in managing these transitions, ultimately enhancing your creative expression. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide on using timeline markers has been helpful, and I'm excited to see how you apply this technique to your future projects.